Hi Spruha.
Hi.
Okay, so we are going to play a game today wherein I will ask you some numbers and you have to tell me if they are multiples of either 2 or 3 or maybe both of them.
Wow.
Okay, for example, 6 is a multiple of both 2 and 3, right? Okay. And to trick you, at times I might ask you questions wherein the answer is neither of them. Okay, so there are numbers which are neither divided by 3 nor by 2. Okay? Have you understood the rules? Alright, let's go. 4.
Wow.
Okay. 7.
Wow.
9. 14.
Wow.
12. Very good. 18. Okay. Okay, so both of them. Alright, 21.
Wow.
Okay. 27. 29. Correct. 44. Okay. Next one. 57. Okay. 52. Okay. What about 59? Ah, very good. Alright, thank you, Spruha.
Great job today. See you next time.